Hello, awesome pupils. Today, I want us to simplify a BODMAS sum. In our previous video, we introduced BODMAS. All right, we said that BODMAS simply means a representation of is a collection of letters that represent the various arithmetical signs. So if you've not watched that video, go back, check the video and watch it for better understanding. So let's simplify these numbers that we have here now. Now remember we said in our BODMAS definition that BODMAS helps us to solve two signs or two or more signs. So we have two mathematical signs here now. We have the subtraction sign and the addition sign. If you've not watched that video, go back and watch it as it will help build your foundation. Once again, please watch this video to the end as I will show you two ways to simplify sums like this without ever failing it again. All right, and if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe. All right, thank you. Now let's simplify 3043 minus 4185 plus 5008. Now the first thing you need to do here is to add. If you follow your BODMAS rule, remember that addition comes before what? Subtraction. Now what do you add? You're going to be adding 3043 to 5008. You're adding it because this 3 is a positive number. This 3043 is a positive number. So positive will meet what? Positive. So let's add now. So we say equal to 3043 plus 5008. So let's put it down here. 3043 plus 5008. This will give me 3 plus 8 is 11. 1 carries 1. 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 0 is 5. 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 5 is 8. This is the addition of these two sums now. Now we're going to take away 4185 from it. So we say minus 4185. 1 minus 5 is impossible. So we'll borrow 1 from 5. 5 becomes 4. And we'll add 110 here. That's 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. 4 minus 8 is impossible for 8 to take away 8 from 4. We come to 0. 0 can't borrow us. So we go to 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. The one you borrow, place beside of a 0 becomes 10. Now we can confidently borrow from 10 now. So 10 minus 1 is 9. We add 9, 1 to our 4. Becomes 14. 14 minus 1, 14 minus 8 rather, is 6. Then 9 minus 1 is 8. 7 minus 4 is 3. So our answer is equal to 3866. This is the first way to solve it. Now let me quickly show you the other way to do it. Now the other way to do it is to subtract first and also add. But this other way tends to be very confusing if you've not mastered taking away minus this plus this. If you've not mastered it, it's best you stick with the first method. Now let's go. Now 3043 minus 4085. It will give us a negative number. Why? Because we are taking a bigger number away from a smaller number. So 4185 minus 3043. Please, when we are done subtracting, our answer will be in the negative. 5 minus 3 is 2. 8 minus 4 is 4. 1 minus 0 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. Our answer, as I said, will be in the negative. Minus 1142. So now we're going to add 5008 to minus 1142. So we say minus 1142 plus 5008. This is why I say it might get confusing now. if you've not mastered your science. But it's a very simple thing to do. Now, minus signifies debt. I like to see it as a debt. It means you are owing. You are owing how much? 1,142. Now, you later have 5,008. So if you should pay your debts of 1,142 naira from 5,008 naira, how much will you be left with? Or whatever currency you are dealing with, how much will you be left with? So to do that, we are still going to subtract. When we subtract, our answer will now be in the positive. So we say equal to 5,008 minus 1,142. Now 8 minus 2 is 6. 0 minus 4 is impossible to take 4 away from 0. So we come here, we can't borrow. We come to 5 and borrow 1. 5 becomes 4. We add our 1 to 0, becoming 10. Take away 1 from 10 becomes 9. Add our 1 to 0 becomes what? 10. Now 10 minus 4 is what? 6. 9 minus 1 is what? 8. 4 minus 1 is what? 3. You see, we've gotten the same answer again. So our final answer is 3,866. 3,866. So there, which method is best for you? The first method or this method? Watch the video again so you can choose the best method that you are going to stick with and be confident with. Bye bye.